How to use coins on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use coins on AliExpress. So let's get started. First, open up AliExpress. You can use the app or you can simply go to the website from any web browser and then log into your account. Now, if you're on your app, make sure that you're logged into your account too. And after you've done that, you will see this first home page here, and there you will see coins. Tap on coins. After you tap on coins, you will see your coins detail. Now you will get a lot of options here, offers available too. As you can see on the top, I don't have any coins on me right now, so tap on collect to collect the coin. Now after doing that, you will see that I have now 120 coins. Now what I can do is I can scroll down and find a product that I like. Now let's say that I want to buy this. Now after I'm here, what you will see is you will get a certain percent off, that is 45% extra off with coins. Now if I have enough coins, I can get up to 45% off in this very product. So what you'll now need to do is just tap on buy, and after you tap on buy, if you have enough coins, this will automatically be applied to the price. So you will get 45% off directly. You don't need to go extra steps just to buy this product. So that is basically how you use AliExpress coins. You don't really need to do anything. All you need to do is collect the coins. And that is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned.